Hi, we are here to discuss or evaluate, assess the opportunities as well as the challenges which have been brought about by the COVID economy, if I may call it that way. A strategist looks at every situation with opportunities from that viewpoint in order to discover. Richard Branson said that opportunity is like the London bus. It comes every so frequently. But I like to add from my side, from experience, that you have to flag it in order to have the bus to stop. Another thing which is my observation is opportunity knocks very softly, and not only that it knocks very softly, it also stops for very short duration, just like the London bus. It is not there for too long. So that is how opportunities are, knocking very softly, so you have to be very alert, and secondly it is only stopping for a while. But it does come very frequently, yes. So in order to assess the opportunities, we have to assess what is happening, what is the change that is taking place. One of the changes, people are moving from the urban areas to suburban areas. So that effect of that will be a lower real estate prices in the urban areas, and perhaps prices and rentals both will decrease in the urban areas, and it might increase in the suburban areas. Whether this becomes a permanent feature or not, we don't know yet, because it has been reported that these people who moved, they carried the COVID infection to the suburb areas, and the suburban area medical facilities were not equipped to handle the sudden surge in COVID cases. The other thing which has changed or which has been affected is obviously the travel industry, and along with the travel industry, the hospitality industry, the tourism industry. So while the direct hotels and airlines may have been affected, and the food outlets, the related vendors, service providers have also been affected. So that is a big change which takes place. One thing that, in my opinion, people talk about the post-COVID economy. I said this is going to stay for quite a while. So you think that this is going to be the new norm. So whatever you do, you have to pivot yourself according to this reality, whether you may like it or you may not like it. There will be winners and there will be losers. Now, take an example of people who have reinvented themselves. The UPW signature talk of Tony Robbins was done virtually. It was a great success, I've been told. So similarly, many festivals and events have been cancelled. So all the people who were counting on that or who were prepared for that, obviously they have also been affected. Jobs have been affected. New jobs have been created. We'll go into all the details. Already there was a lot of disruption which was happening due to technology, and people were being warned that whether you would still have a job in 2025. So now I would say that 2021 and beyond, are you sure that you would have the job that you have currently? Or what do you need to do in order to not only stay relevant, but to thrive, not survive, but thrive. So these are the preparations that one has to be prepared for, let's say. One has to ready yourself, be prepared, be ready.